Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss the vocabulary. We are going to see 5 new words and its meaning and sentences. If you're new here, I would like you to subscribe to the channel. You can get content from English grammar, vocabulary, idioms, NIS subjects, computer science, English and maths also. Subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on time. Let's begin. So first word for this video is schoolmarm. It means a strict, old-fashioned female teacher, often who is very proper or bossy kind of. Sentence with this word would be: the schoolmarm insisted that every student sit quietly and raise their hands before speaking. Next word is opportune. It means happening at a favorable or suitable time. Sentence would be: the rain stopped at the most opportune moment, just before the outdoor concert began. Next word is antsy. It means nervous, restless and impatient. Sentence with this word would be: she felt antsy waiting for her turn to speak during the job interview. Next word is volition. It means the power or act of making a choice or a decision. Sentence would be: he left the company of his own volition, wanting to explore new career paths. The last word for the video is conniption. It means a fit of rage, hysteria or panic. Sentence with this word would be: when she found out her phone was missing, she had a complete conniption. Okay, so these are the 5 words that we have seen in this video. If you liked this video, give it a like. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.